Week number 6, guys. 6 weeks in a row that we've been doing Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. I am feeling pretty good about this, man. You guys are keeping me consistent on this, and I appreciate all of you guys for doing that. We just had 2 back-to-back weeks with different shops showing us beater boxes, but it's always good to go back to your roots, the OG Soul Supremacy $1,200 Sneaker Mystery Box. Anyway, if you guys are interested in a Sneaker Mystery Box, then stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a sneaker mystery box for you guys. 1,200 bucks from Soul Supremacy. If you guys don't know what a sneaker mystery box is, it's basically what the name implies, guys. It's a mystery box full of sneakers. However, the sneakers are in brand new or used condition, and you guys never know what sizes you're gonna get, if they're gonna have a box, if they're not gonna have a box. It's always different, man, and the whole point of the box is to try to sell these things after you clean them up and stuff, to try to make more money. Let's see what we got in this one. Okay, so it looks like we only have one shoe without a box in here, and it is one of my favorite models of Jordans, the Jordan 1. This one is really huge though, man. What size is this, a 15? Size 14, so that makes sense. Size 14 Jordan 1 Game Royal. This one is a very big sneaker, and it honestly has been going up in resale value a lot recently. However, this one does have no box, and it is used. You guys can see those dirty bottoms over there. And the leather on the toe box is like a little bit worn down, but I actually like it when it looks like this because it shows like that the quality of leather is actually not bad. Like when it looks stiff on the outside over here, I'm not a big fan of that, but some of you guys feel the opposite, so we'll see what the value of this is. I'm assuming, just because it's a Jordan 1, no box, I would still think that this fetches at least like 150 bucks. And if you guys are interested in any of the shoes that you guys do see on the unboxings, and check out untiedhawaii.com. That is my personal web store where I sell most of these shoes. If you guys don't see a shoe on there, it usually means that it's already been sold. So please do not email me asking, oh, can you put up that shoe, because it's probably gone, guys. Sorry about that. People buy shoes very, very quick, so I can't really do anything about that. Okay, so that was the only shoe without a box. The next one is a Ultra Boost Mid SE. This one is a 10.5. I think I know what this is. Oof, yeah. So I'm not happy about this. So this is the Soul Box Ultra Boost collab in the mid form. You guys can check it out. It doesn't look great when you look at like what this is up here. It looks like just a huge sock, which I was not about, and that's the reason why I don't like the Uncaged Ultra Boost. Ultra Boost tech, very, very comfortable. Upper doesn't look like terrible. It's not bad. But this sock thing just makes it look, ugh, I don't know. Not for me, man, not for me. But yeah, you guys saw that it is used, very lightly used. So this one will probably fetch maybe 100 bucks. Ultra Boost tech, like I said, is still very good. It's very comfortable, but just the market itself is like not super hyped anymore. So unfortunately, resale kind of suffers because of that. So that's that. Okay, next box out. This is like an old school Nike box. Ooh, okay, size 12 Nike Zoom Rookie. Yeah. Okay, that's what I thought this was gonna be. This was recently re-released. This is Zoom Rookie Galaxy, man. The Galaxy is probably the best colorway for this one, and I mean, Galaxy is just super sick. I mean, when you look at it, it just pops, man. Like, Galaxy sneakers are dope. And this one looks very clean. I don't know if it's dead stock or not. You guys can try to tell me over here though. I mean, the bottom is discolored, but that's due to age. In terms of like if it was actually dirty or worn or not, I can't really tell over there. The uppers look perfectly intact, man, and I don't see any sock lint in here, and there doesn't look to be any creasing on the shoes either. So if this is dead stock, that is crazy. I'm hoping that they have the tag in here though. They only have the paper in here. So this one would be considered PADS, which is passes dead stock. However, I don't think I can list it as dead stock because it doesn't have that remove before flight tag, which would make it OG all, and that is like basically how you can sell the dead stock sneakers. But it should still be good, and in terms of resale, I think this is at least a couple $100. So that's really dope, actually. I like this one a lot. Okay, we're starting off strong, man. I like that. Next one out is a Jordan 4 box. This one is a size 8.5. Ooh, okay. And we have a pair of Jordan 4 white cements. This one is kind of worn though, man. By kind of, I mean a lot. Like, check this one out, man. There's creasings all over this shoe. Laces super dirty. The netting is dirty. Like I said, creases like all over the dang shoe. Bottoms, they're not that bad. They're a little bit dirtied up, but nothing too crazy. And then there's no paint chipping over here, which is good, but in terms of everything else, look at that sockland, dude. It is a dirty, dirty shoe. So when you guys think of a beater, this would be considered a beater in my book. However, the Jordan 4 white cement is like one of my favorite colorways for Jordan 4s, and one of the first shoes that got me into like sneaker resale. So I think the shoe is sick. I hope they retro these soon, man. Great pair. Everybody should have a pair of white cements in their collection. Next up, we have an Asics box. So we got some diversity in this beater box. This one is a size 11.5 though. And we have extra insoles, it looks like. But the shoe itself, I don't know what model this is or what colorway. Oh, it's okay. It's a Ronnie Asics collab. So you guys see on the back, this is a collab with Ronnie and Kith. It says just us over here as well. It's got like those navy blue colors and like speckles all over the place. This one is cool. I don't think there's gonna be high resale, unfortunately. Okay, it looks like we have 3 shoes left in here. This one is a size 10.5 Jordan 6. I don't like that word after Jordan 6. Oh, and it's another beater shoe, man. This is the Jordan 6 history of flight. You guys can see over here, there's scuffing everywhere, and this leather is actually pretty worn down. So that's how you know it's been used quite a bit. The colorway on this model is actually not bad though. Red with some Christmas vibes. You can see that green Jumpman over here. However, there's just like scuffs all over the place, and I think you can clean those up, but yeah, it just takes a little bit more elbow grease. And the problem is that Spiz-like versions are not like as coveted, I guess, as the non-Spiz-like versions. So if you guys are looking for this one, I'm sure it's not going for too much money. Okay, so 2 shoes left. This one is a Jordan 4 box in a size 10. Okay, and it looks like we have a pair of the Jordan 4 alternates, not in dead stock condition either. However, this one is a lot better than the Jordan 4 white cement that we just saw. I mean, there's some minimal toe box creasing over here on the front, but there's not like that weird creasing over here. The netting is cleaner. Bottoms are a lot cleaner, a lot less worn, it looks like. So this one is good, but because the colorway is not as hyped as like a white cement, I'm thinking that the value takes a hit there too. So I'm guessing maybe $100. I like the 4s, man. I should start collecting 4s again. So the last shoe in the box is an old school. Do you guys see that? Did I just give it away, man? And I was just talking about Jordan 4s. Okay, well, hopefully that is exactly what it is. It's size 12, so I can't fit it. Okay, so I guess it is a pair of Jordan. Whoa, this is a super clean version. For a second I thought it was dead stock, that's why I stopped myself. But yeah, this is a very clean version of the Jordan 4 Doernbecher. You guys who have been watching the channel for a long time know that the Doernbecher 4 is like one of my all-time favorite shoes. It's just is so sick, dude. Like, check this out, because look at how unique this is, man. Like, the color blocking is really great. Just these little like characteristics, like the Superman on the tongue over here, a bunch of these arrows over here, and like the translucent sole, which this is why I thought it was potentially dead stock, because it is a little bit discolored, but when you guys look at it, there's like no dirt on this thing, it looks like. And the star loss is like not even there at all. So I thought for a second we got a dead stock Doernbecher, which would have been insane value. However, we got like a VNDS Doernbecher, which is still really good, man. Still very good. What is this, dude? Is this supposed to come with this card? I don't know if it's supposed to come with this card, but this is kind of cool. You guys can see the info for the Jordan 4 Doernbecher. Retail for $175. Inspired by Isaiah Scott for the Doernbecher Charity Foundation. That is with Doernbecher Hospital. The hospital teams up with Nike and they let the kids design their own like Nikes. And it happens every single year, and all of the funding goes to charity. So I really respect Doernbecher and Nike for doing that, man. Like, to give kids like that like hope and like inspiration, and let them collab with a team like Nike who can support their vision of making something crazy like this, which I think this is one of the greatest designs ever, man. Like, there's some designers out there that are like professionals that I don't know if they could have came up with a better one than this. Like, this is sick. So I always respect that, and that is why this one is like near and dear to my heart, because when I first started collecting shoes, I really liked the Jordan 4 model, and I really liked what Doernbecher was doing. So it was a win-win for me, because this one is sick. So that is it, guys. Box is empty. That is all we have for this video, but I'm assuming just from looking at like the Zoomer Galaxy in very clean condition and the Jordan 4 Doernbecher in very clean condition, that those 2 shoes alone should probably be about the entire price of the box, so everything else would be pure profit. So once again, Soul Supremacy is bringing the heat, guys. This is why I always come back to this company, because every single box, they're very consistent and they're very thorough, and it's because they're like the originators of the beater box. We saw a couple other companies like P-Town Kicks and Request doing their boxes, and Request look crazy. P-Town look pretty good too, but Soul Supremacy, man, the OG, you guys know what it is. Anyway, that is it for this video. If you guys are interested in any of those shoes, then be sure to check untiedhawaii.com. If it is not on the website, guys, then it has probably already been sold, or it's going to the channel memberships. And if you guys don't know what the channel memberships are, you guys can preview that on untiedhawaii.com as well. Basically, a channel membership is when you guys click join underneath the videos. You guys are able to cop sneakers for a lot less. So for this July drop that we did, this one we sold Yeezys for like $300, the new non-reflective blacks that just came out, you know, the ones that are selling for like $500 on GoDaddy. Yeah, 300 bucks. We also sold Yeezy Clays for like 200 bucks. We sold Yeezy Blushes for 120 bucks. I think we sold Jordan 1 Hyper Royals for $20. That is where some of the shoes from the beater boxes go, guys. It goes back to you guys for incredible prices. Like 20 bucks for a pair of Jordan 1. That is crazy. So I hope you guys check that out. The more people that we get on board, the more stuff I can do. So hopefully you guys check that out. Anyway, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoy the Soul Supremacy beater box series. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!